Forever I will stay. breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever set apart, my thankful heart. Thankful heart, open wide, your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever set apart, my thankful heart. Thankful heart, forever in quiet waves I hear your sound, where love and peace abound. Every breath becomes a prayer. I know that you are there. The world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the skies. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain I can see you're here with me. Secret moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Secret moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in secret moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart. You're where I start. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moments, forever you stay. Sacred moments. Hearts of light, shining through the night. The morning breaks, the shadows fade. Your glory unafraid. Every breath becomes a flame that burns to praise your name. You fill the skies with endless grace. Your warmth in every place. Through every tide and hue, I'm shining bright for you. You move within the air. Your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. Every by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of waves of grace flow through this place. The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound, your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again. In every breath I see, you're healing me. You calm the raging sea, your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near, I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Ocean of grace, the night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise to meet your skies. You calm the raging sea, your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near, I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Let your mercy flood the deep, where love and spirit meet. Every tear you've washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest, your peace my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Through endless skies, your mercy flows. Your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light, your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue. My soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire. My heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Let your glory fill my soul. Make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away when you stay. You're the light that never dies, the hope that fills the skies. Forever I'll remain in your holy flame. Shine within me pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine in me, forever free. Shine within me. Breath of heaven, flow through me again. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to Breath of heaven, flow again. Love that never ends, forever human. The dawn unfolds, your mercy new. My heart belongs to you. Through every shadow, every pain, your love remains the same. You lift my soul above the tide. You're like my faithful guide, every breath and every sound. Your grace abounds. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. The night gives way to holy light. You turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend. Love that never ends. Love that never ends. eternity. Presence eternal, forever you stay. Presence eternal.